Welcome to Gravitational Orbit's meditation series. Life-changing motivational readings that produce quantum realities in the form of the law of attraction. Today's guidance, a 3-part series. Part 1. Are you truly living the life you want to live? Part 2. Law of attraction. Attraction with rituals and mind power. Part 3. Manifest what you want faster using the law of attraction. Part 1. Are you truly living the life you want to live? Some of the things people most desire to have, or to improve in their life are money, a loving relationship, a successful job, great health, nice house, and a new car. Most people just dream about these things, but never actually obtain them. What people don't realize is that all of these things can be theirs through the power of manifestation. Manifesting one's desires is a science. There are laws that govern the process of materializing wishes seemingly out of nothing. Once these laws are complied with in your belief system, then anyone can make their dreams a reality. This may seem unbelievable to some, but the truth is, it's very real as it is already happening to many people all over this wonderful planet we call home. The laws of abundance. Everything you desire begins in your mind, and it is the mind that brings these thoughts to life. Your outer state of being is the manifestation of your thoughts. Therefore, to obtain the things you desire, you have to first set your mind to it. Vital self-empowerment skills will help you mentally transform a thought into a material manifestation. You will learn how to change your expectations in order to change your life. We live in a universe of abundance, although most others appear to view it as a universe of scarcity. Thoughts such as others are more talented, more deserving, and more gifted than you only hinder you from living abundantly. If you possess these or similar thoughts, don't worry, there is hope for you. You can learn skills to activate self-actualizing power through these laws to live with wealth, financial freedom, and success. Abundance does not mean mere accumulation of material wealth. Happiness, peace of mind, harmony, optimal health, being in loving relationships, and having a strong sense of your true self are also part of this universal abundance. This abundance comes into a person's life only when they facilitate its free-flowing energy of giving and receiving. There are also other ways to increase abundance in your life. Adding time to your day, simplifying your lifestyle, or making a difference in the world. For example, volunteer work and meditation are good ways to increase abundance. Be more open-minded and open to new possibilities. Try as much as you can to surround yourself with positive influences such as people and things. Take control of your thoughts and start manifesting your desires today. Part 2. Law of attraction. Attraction with practice and mind power. Practices are an important part of the manifesting process. Those who are successful in applying the law of attraction understand that there is a sacred method to it. They perform rituals or practices all the time, every day. They have a set schedule in which they get up at a particular time and drive to work or catch the bus or train. When you brush your teeth, that is a form of habitual practice or ritual. To successfully apply the laws of attraction, you'll need to create a practical ritual of studying, learning, and manifestation. Without those forms of practice, you are only skimming the surface of the attraction process. Pasting pictures around your home is merely a form of visualization, a goal-setting form of visual memorization and wishing or praying. Your mind sees those pictures and you are reminded of what you want to attract, but it is the practice or rituals that allow the law of attraction to help you in manifesting what you want faster. Rituals connect you to your source. As you go about your day, you continue to activate the law of attraction, and what you get is more and more of what you are already living. Have you ever noticed that few people ever really change their lives? Few people ever really manifest true abundance in their lives because they hold on to a ritual that has not changed. The law of attraction is a powerful tool. Use it with the correct ritual, and you can have an outstanding life of abundance. Ignore it and your life will be a repeat of what you are now experiencing. When you use a good ritual with the law of attraction, you begin to move mountains and manifest what you desire a whole lot faster than you could ever have imagined. With each practice of the ritual, you become a powerful manifestation magnet. What you hope and wish for comes easily and faster over and over again. Your ritual practice trains you and connects you to the creative source that is necessary to manifesting. The mind is like a wild horse. The human mind is like a wild horse, and without proper training, it can be turned against itself. This is where rituals help in training the mind so that you can best use the law of attraction to gain success. To fully succeed with the law of attraction, you need to learn the secrets of the inner mind and how to tame the mind to bring you what you desire to manifest in your life. Every spiritual teacher who understands the laws of attraction teaches the necessity of learning the power of the inner mind. Law of attraction without the training of the mind is quite wasteful. It is like having a box of matches but never knowing what fire is or how to use it. There is value in ancient practices. Many law of attraction teachings may seem too esoteric for most people, but there is nothing strange about them if you take the time to understand the science behind them. Many of these practices actually make the laws of attraction a lot easier to apply and boost your success application, yield outstanding results. If you learn to swim in the sea of abundance, you'll begin to manifest greater results. The mind is the key to manifesting, and the law of attraction follows the mind. Part 3. Manifest what you want faster using the law of attraction. What if I told you that I could help you accelerate that time between wanting and actually having what you want? You truly can decrease the gap to finally manifest what you desire, however few people understand that they can. What would you really like to manifest at this present moment? Perhaps you have a desire to apply the law of attraction to manifest more money. Since money is the middleman between having what we desire, it is natural that most people will want to increase their money flow. The first step you would take is to have a very clear idea of what it is you desire to have. How much money do you want to manifest? Do you truly believe that you can manifest money fast? These are the two questions you should ask yourself. Once you are clear about what you want to manifest, you should then deploy the law of attraction by bringing yourself into alignment with what you want. The secret to manifesting faster is to activate the law of attraction with increased power and focus. Without the power of the energy behind your intention, you will send a weak wish signal to the universe. Think of a bucket beneath a dripping tap. Each drop into the bucket will eventually fill the bucket, however, if you open up the tap wide open, the flow will be stronger, steady, and powerful. The universe of abundance is always running at high pressure. It would not take very long to manifest what you want if you applied this example. I often say that it is not enough to know about the law of attraction, but it is also important to learn how to maximize it to manifest what you want faster. Getting what you want does not require that you work harder, or that you run yourself into the grave, chasing what you want. How much easier it is to actually be able to manifest what you really want, and do so quickly and effortlessly. Imagine living a life of abundance where you can manifest all that you ever thought possible in a shorter period of time. Why, you can and you will. In conclusion, we hope today's guidance has imparted some guidance into your law of attraction, manifestation, meditation experience. In all of life mysteries, one the greatest is the human mind has the ability to overcome insurmountable obstacles. As a great teacher once said, ask, and it shall be given unto you. Knock and the door shall be opened. We wish you well in your decision to start a journey into the law of attraction, so power up and engage your mind and willpower into hyperdrive. Thank you for joining us today at Gravitational Orbit, a mind spring of guided meditation, affirmations, and inspirational readings to help you throughout your day. May the horizon of your life greet your sunrise and sunset with wonder and amazement. If you like this guided meditation series, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and select the notification bell to stay informed about new videos we are posting.